Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are continuing our PHP blog for admin panel. So guys, now over here as you can see that when I click on our category, that is PHP tutorial, so we are getting a PHP posts, right? So let's move on Laravel. Here you get Laravel post. Done. So now guys, we have to validate this. What validation? That is your hide and show. If you remember in beginning we have built this post category, right? So post CRUD, where we have given the status, that is your show and hide purpose. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, let's go to admin, where on post edit, let's move to status. Let me just tell, if you have checked means checked is equal to hidden. Okay, if you are checked hidden, unchecked is equal to visible. All set. So save this and refresh. Okay, so now if I'm going to check, it is checked now, and let's make it as update post. And yep, so now you can find that it is checked, guys. So if it is checked means in your post you can find that your status column will be 1. So over here we have made it to 1. And now guys, if you refresh in the front end, it doesn't happen anything. So if that status is 1, you should not show this. Okay, so for that case, let's move to our category.php and update this. So let's close all the file. So first step, where we were on category.php. So go on category.php and write the code for it. So we have already fetched the data, right? So we just need to add some condition in that. So same for the category purpose or post purpose, we are going to check the status, guys. So where slug you have written, right? And just give a and operator and tell status is equal to, inside single quotes you're going to add 0. So this is your main concept. If the status is 0 means that is it is visible. Okay, so you can get the data, and here you need to add it. So this is for your post. All set. So you are done with the category also and post also. Once let's check for our title. So in your title also you are getting the categories detail where slug. So now let's paste this. So only 0 data should come. Let's save. Now refresh. Perfect. So it has invisible, guys. It's not seen. Now let's uncheck and update this. Okay, post updated. Let's see, it's unchecked. Let's refresh. Cool. So guys, we have done this, and same way you are going to check out with your in your home page also. Okay, for this, for your everything. So this is your testing video, guys, where we have to check all the statuses for this. So we have checked for the this is your category is done. Let's click on post. This is a basic thing, so if you don't show there, obviously you're not going to get. Yep, let's move on home page and let's hide this insert data in Laravel. Let's go back, insert data in Laravel 8, edit. Let's hide the post. So right now I don't want to show the post updated. And if you refresh, here you can see insert data in Laravel is invisible. It's not seen, guys, right? So we have done the code for this already. So I'll just show you that inside index.php, this is our latest post. Okay, so where you have given that if where status is 0 and then your condition. All set. So guys, in this video, that's it. This was your testing video, how your category and post should be visible according to your dashboard statuses. So as we have seen that in previous video about meta tags, so now we have checked with the hide and visible option for our posts. So guys, in this video, that's it, and let's continue next video with the new topic of this series. So thank you once again, guys. Please subscribe, like and share.